Hello and welcome back. Thank you so much for joining in. Today we take a look at Ethereum. This is Join and Coin, bringing you daily crypto news and analysis. Well, in Ethereum, finally we got our breakout to the downside after this choppy sideways action. We broke out yesterday of this support at 1,740. I tried to warn you guys on Ethereum. Let's make a quick cutoff to my Friday's video.
At the moment, most likely for me, it looks like we will break to the downside. So the target here would be 1500 area. And this is because I think that the bears are still in control.
In the RSI, you can see we are heavy oversold. And I think it would make sense, at least in the very short term, to have a bit of consolidation here because the RSI don't have much room now to the downside. On the daily, we can see clearly that we found support on our high in January of 2018. So the next targets would be if Ethereum is respecting these support lines, which were building in last year in our bull run. There, Ethereum found support here. You can see we broke out, tested it, and then we had our parabolic bull run. And it's exactly where we found support now. So the next week, I would expect if Ethereum breaks down, then Ethereum should find support in the price of $1,250. Yeah, the RSI and the daily also oversold. MACD daily shows some bearish momentum. And finally, on the weekly RSI is just approaching oversold conditions, but there's of course some hopium in the market because when in 2016 we had visited these lows in the RSI on the weekly, then we saw a nice reaction, and it only took 2 months to come to the overbought conditions. So keep in mind also here in 2018, we didn't stay that long there. And yeah, so what we know is that Ethereum don't like to stay long in these oversold conditions on the weekly, right? On the Ethereum Bitcoin, Ethereum entered this upwards channel in July of 2019, broke to the upside with our recent bull run last year, came into the channel, retested it, and now we are on the lower end of this channel. So if Bitcoin is bearish in the next week, what I would expect is most likely, if Ethereum is respecting these levels, at least we could see one more small bearish move, right? So finally, the market cap dominance of Bitcoin is rising. It started to rise in the beginning of this year. And it broke also a very important line of resistance. If the Bitcoin dominance is rising, that's bad for the altcoins. Also, the RSI, there is some hope because on the weekly chart in the Bitcoin dominance, we are getting in the overbought conditions, and hopefully we get a trend reversal here in the Bitcoin dominance soon. So finally, we got our break to the downside in Ethereum. All eyes on Bitcoin in the next week and also on the DXY. I think it will be very interesting. I'm preparing for a bit more downside, but I think this is a bottoming process, and I think there is some hope, and I'm expecting a strong bullish reaction in the crypto space very soon. All right, this is it for me. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and also click the notification bell so you get informed when I upload a new content. I wish you all a wonderful Sunday, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.